Hello students. Now topic is what is the differences between cis and trans isomers. So what are the physical properties like that? What is the main differences cis and trans isomers? What about cis isomers? If two identical groups are present in the same side, if two identical groups are same side, if two identical groups are same side is there, that is cis isomers. If two identical groups are present on same side, that is above the plane or below the plane, is called cis isomers. Now take the example, now 2 butene, we can write CH3 double bond C, CH3 and H. This is called cis isomers. Two identical groups are present on same side. This is two identical means here two left side carbon having what is the condition restrict, that is what is the condition, what are the condition for geometrical isomers? Two groups must be different, restricted rotation also. So that is the main condition. Here two identicals, two groups are different, this carbon having two different groups are there, and second carbon, right side carbon also having two different groups. So these are the two identical groups. Here methyl group, here methyl, these both are same. Identical means same groups, these both are same groups present on the same side, same group present on the same side, that is called cis isomers. Two identical groups are present on same side, two identical group present on same side is called cis isomers. Example of the 2 butene, or another so many examples are there. There are one more example, that is cis malic acid, C double bond C, COOH and COOH and H and H. This is also cis malic acid. This is cis 2 butene. First compound is cis 2 butene. This is the examples of cis isomers. Cis isomers means two identical groups or atoms present on same side. Here in the second compound, two COOH group present on same side above the plane, and two hydrogens are present on same side below the plane. This is called cis isomers example. Cis isomers means if two identical groups are present on same side is called cis isomers. What about the trans isomers? What is trans isomers? What is the definition of trans isomers? Trans isomers means whatever, that is if two identical groups are present on opposite side, two identical groups, if two identical groups are opposite side present on opposite side is called, that is trans isomers. If two identical groups are same side is called cis isomers. If two identical groups are present on opposite side is called trans isomer. Now take the example, that is same trans 2 butene CH3H, CH3H. It is opposite side. Here these both are the identical group, these two methyl groups are identical, these both are same. So these both are same group present on opposite side, that is called trans isomer. This name is called trans 2 butene. Example. So trans isomeric example, trans 2 butene. So two identical groups, two methyl group present on opposite side, that is called trans isomers. Now take the example, one more example, COOH H. Here it is two carboxylic groups, two COOH group present on opposite side, that is also trans malic acid. This is the examples of differences between cis and trans isomers. Example, student. So what are the physical properties? Very most important, student. It is very most important for NEET and JEE and other competitive exam also. What is the physical properties? Also very most important. Physical properties. First one is the dipole moment. And in dipole moment, cis compounds are more dipole than trans compounds. So it is very most important. Cis isomers more dipole than trans isomers. It is also very most important, student. Cis isomers greater than that of trans isomers. Cis isomers more dipole moment than trans isomers. And another one, students, that is the cis. Why? What is the reason? Cis compound is polar. and trans compound is non-polar. Cis compound is polar and trans compounds are non-polar. Next one, second point is what is boiling point. What about boiling point? Boiling point, what is the difference as boiling point, cis and trans compound? So cis compounds are high boiling point. Cis compounds are cis isomers. Cis isomers higher boiling point, higher BP than higher boiling point than trans isomer. This is also very most important, student. These are the physical property. What about dipole moment in cis trans isomer? Cis isomers more dipole moment than trans isomers, and cis isomers are higher boiling point than trans isomers. And melting point, what about that melting point? It is trans isomers melting point, trans isomers more melting point than cis isomer. It is also very most important, son. Trans isomers higher melting point than cis isomers. And very most important topic is that is solubility also. Solubility also depends on polar solubility also depends on polar nature. Is so cis compounds are more polar, so cis isomers highly soluble in water. Cis isomers highly soluble in water. Cis isomers highly soluble in water. Cis isomer more soluble than cis isomers more soluble than trans isomers. This is very most important, student. So these are the physical properties of trans and cis isomers. What is the dipole moment? Cis isomers more dipole moment than trans isomers. Boiling point, cis isomers more boiling point than trans isomers. Melting point, trans isomers more melting point than cis isomers. Next, solubility. What about solubility? Solubility depends on polar nature. Polar compounds are always highly soluble. So here cis compounds are always polar nature. So cis isomers are highly soluble than trans isomer. These are the important physical properties. If you like my video, please like and share and comment. Thank you. So these are the main important physical properties: dipole moment, melting point, boiling point, and solubility. Solubility depends on polar nature. Polar compounds are always highly soluble in water, so that's why cis compounds are highly soluble than trans isomer. This is the physical properties of geometrical isomers of cis and trans isomers. And if you like my video, please like and share, and thank you.